Hey guys, as you can see, I'm trying to make Orange King staff. You can see, I kind of wanted to get a block. I can shoot a laser, like just like this laser. And yeah, what should I use? I mean, the default option would be an actual block, but what am I doing? I need an actual block. How about no? Damn, I threw one earlier. I don't know where that one is. I need one. Yes, this would be perfect. Instead of a block, it's an actual battery grenade. I. Now, in fact, this would not be the end of the modifications. We got one. Now we got. Oh, wait. Hold up. If I do this correctly. Hold up, I think I got an idea. I don't know how the fuck this got on. Pick it up. No, that did not work. I thought. Is it longer than the lance? The staff? Wait, no, I don't think it is, actually. Well, it's my staff, actually. But now, I kind of want to add a grail gun to it. But as you can see, shouldn't even work. So, I guess, for now, that would be the end of the modifications. Oh, and I need to actually swap that out with something. Because, actually, let me do that right now. I could probably add something. I can add something else. I know that's not gonna work. No. Wait, hold up. I think I got an idea. I kind of want to add one of these. No. Ooh, hold up. I might. Oh, actually, an MRE. Yes. Why an MRE of all things in I noticed? It's a staff, okay? I can put anything I want on it, yeah. Or company ration, whatever the fuck it's called. I call it an MRE. Most of the animal company community actually calls it an MRE because it looks like an MRE. Wait, do I have one in my stash? I think I would. I mean, it'll be a very expensive one. No, I don't have one. I have this one. No, I don't. Fuck, I'm stuck. Well, my idea is like to shoot a laser out of it, like a, and it'll probably be like something I can afford like a couple of times. I'm just gonna get a lot of money. I need something for the. I think I got an idea. You see, if I do this, I'll be able to do this. And it will complete the end of the staff. But I place it right there as like the. Nah, I felt like that the first idea. But why does my hand keep doing that? What's my battery at on it? 20%? Bro, come on. Not even that bad. Be kind of like goofy, but it still looks cool though, so it's sticking out, so actually what do we do like this? No, I can do this. Well, it's my staff, so I can make another like Yellow's one that he made with the villager. Oh shit. I refuse to believe. I refuse. This is the uncomfy ass couch, bro. Motherfucker, it's literally metal. These bills in. All by a goddamn couch, bro. No. Now I just gotta add a laser. But now for now, we got my version of Orange King's staff. Now I have the exact color code for orange. This. And also there's a crown. Yo, this might actually be one of my best cosplays ever. Guys, next video, I swear I will try to get as many, probably more in the next couple videos. I'll try to get that crown and more money. I shall buy. Bye.